Need background music for your videos, podcasts, presentations, or personal projects? Suno AI makes it easy to generate original background music in a wide variety of styles. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create background music in Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website or open the mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click or tap the Create button to begin creating new music. If you're new to Suno AI, you can create a free account before continuing. Enter a prompt describing the background music you want. Include details such as the mood, genre, tempo, instruments, and where the music will be used. For example, you might mention a calm piano track for studying, an upbeat corporate soundtrack, or relaxing ambient music. Yeah, the more descriptive your prompt is, the more closely the result will match your idea. If you only need background music, specify in your prompt that you want an instrumental track with no vocals. If you'd like music with singing, you can also add your own lyrics or let Suno AI generate them. I mean, being clear that you want an instrumental track helps produce the right type of music. Click the Generate button and wait while Suno AI creates your background music. Once it's finished, listen to each version and compare the results. Take a moment to hear how different generations interpret the same prompt. If the music isn't exactly what you wanted, update your prompt by changing the mood, instruments, tempo, or style, then generate another version. Even small prompt changes can produce noticeably different results. Experimenting with different descriptions is one of the best ways to improve your music. Your completed tracks are automatically saved to your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share it using a public link or download your background music. So you've successfully created background music with Suno AI, and that's how to create background music in Suno AI. With clear prompts and a little experimentation, you can generate original music for videos, presentations, streams, podcasts, and many other creative projects. I mean, the more specific your prompts are, the easier it becomes to create music that perfectly fits your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.